Django, how to save the POST.get of a checkbox as false, 0, in a database. I'm trying to save the value of a checkbox as true or false in a database. I have to use a model for this. If the box is checked, the value of 1 is saved. However, if the box is not checked, I get the error message. Currently my setup looks like this. In models.py I have in views.py I have, and in the HTML I have. I've tried to set required equals false in the Boolean field as some other post suggested, but then get the error, type error column underscore underscore init underscore underscore, got an unexpected keyword argument required. I've also tried to set completed to false in views.py like. And but neither work, not sure if my syntax is correct. Any ideas or suggestions are greatly appreciated.
You can print the value of request.post to see what you are getting in the views. If you have not specified a value attribute in the checkbox HTML element, the default value which will pass in the post is on if the checkbox is checked. In the views you can check if the value of completed is on. If the checkbox is not checked, then nothing will be passed, and in that case you will get false from above statement. I would suggest that you use a Django model form if you can, so most of the things are automatically taken care for you.
Use this code snippet.
To tackle that problem, you have to know how checkboxes work. If they're checked, a value is passed to request.post, but if a checkbox isn't checked, no value will be passed at all. So if the statement is true, the checkbox has been checked, because only then a completed has been sent and is in the post array, otherwise it hasn't. I like this way more because it doesn't deal with any fancy default values, but is a plain and simple condition.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.